We are all leaders.
Anyone can attend this training.
Maybe I can.
Don't ever doubt it.
It's not to be perfect. It's just to be us as human.
And I didn't dare. And now I rather lead from the heart.
A more human approach to leading others.
It's a way of changing lives somehow, starting with my own.
Be the leader that you need to show up for yourself in your own life.
Enjoy what you're doing with more awareness, with more professionality and capabilities.
Putting it immediately into practice.
It's not just about techniques and tools, mainly about true connection.
It was pure magic.
I recommend it to everyone, personally, professionally.
I see that I'm oozing confidence all of a sudden.
Amazing work, the deepest work I've ever done.
You dive into it, you're thrown into it, but with love and care.
You need a mentor, you need a coach, you need a community.
There are a lot of beautiful people participating in this training from all over the world.
The most important thing to me is that it's from the heart. That's where Rupda comes in.
I really like her no bullshit approach.
She's so well structured, has so much experience in working with people.
Tools for Life Leaders training with Rupda. That's where you gotta go.
Go for it.